Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So excuse my outfit, but it is a Thursday night and it is 8:35, 40. So we just put the baby down for the night, and I changed from my work clothes because we got home a little while ago, but I had my work clothes on, so I changed, I put on my workout gear, and I'm just gonna clean up. So I thought I would show you guys kind of like my new nighttime routine. So I have been trying to work out every other day, and it's something I started last week. So yeah, I'm trying to get fit and healthy, and it's kind of just like up to me to make the time. So what I've been doing is working out at night, usually after I like tidy up a little bit, and that's actually been working really well for me. So I wanted to kind of bring you along on my new like nighttime, like me time routine, which I've just been so motivated to like get things done, and I've been cleaning a lot and actually exercising and trying to take care of myself a little bit better. So I consider this kind of like me time. So like I said, let's see, it is 8:40. I don't know why my nose is so red. My makeup is just like coming off my face, but I got a new vacuum, as you can see right there. I have it charging. It's the Dyson V7, and I got it yesterday at Home Depot. It's on sale, so I picked that up. I was so excited because I've been wanting a Dyson for like the longest time. And yeah, so it's not, the house isn't like in a super bad shape, but I wanted to clean up the kitchen a little bit, do the little bit of dishes that we have, kind of clean up this table, and over here it's just like toys are kind of on the floor, so it's not too bad today. But I thought I would just vlog a little bit and go through like my nighttime routine, which is like just the spring. This is what I've been doing this spring. So my hair is up, I have my workout clothes on, and I'm just gonna clean up first so that the house is clean and ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, which is so exciting. And then I'm gonna get a little workout in. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. If you do like these kinds of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you wanna put notifications on, you could do that. You just hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. So it is about 9:45 and I just finished my little workout, and I'm just gonna sit at the kitchen table and edit this video right now. But I just wanted to close this little vlog up today, and I wanted to talk about a little bit like what's been going on. I feel like this winter has been just dragging on for like ever, and it really affected me like in an emotional sense. Like, I did not want to get out of bed. I was going in super late to work. I was getting out really late. It was just really cold. I didn't have any energy to do anything. Like, I wasn't doing stuff around my house. I wasn't cleaning. And I just felt really down for like the first couple of months in this year. So now that the weather has warmed up a little bit, like today was 60 degrees, which has been like one of the nicest days this whole week, because it was like, it gets kind of warm and then it gets cold again, it gets kind of warm and it gets cold again. So that's been driving me a little nuts, but the weather has been getting nicer. It's like still light out at 7, so I feel like I have much more energy now. I have been really trying to like redecorate and make this house more homey, and really like go out and buy decorations and just like doing more things around the house. So I've been really focusing on getting the house like to the level that I want it to be. This is kind of like our forever home for now, you know what I mean? So I want to just like decorate and make it really homey and really nice. So I'm going to be posting a lot more videos on home related things, like lifestyle related things, as well as more decluttering videos. I have a few things, like a few areas in my house that I need to really tackle and focus on organizing and getting rid of clutter and getting rid of things that I don't use. So yeah, so for tonight I am gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna edit this video that you're watching right now, and then I'm gonna go shower and just get ready for bed. So I might be doing, I think tomorrow night maybe I'll film a my like evening like winding down routine. So just like after I go upstairs from doing whatever I do down here, before I go to bed. So I'll probably film that tomorrow and get it up after this video. So keep an eye out for a lot more fun videos, and I am thinking that for probably the beginning of summer, I'm going to start posting way more hair and nail related videos. So I'm going to get into those hopefully by the beginning of summer, if not sometime during the summer. So get excited for a lot more content from me, like beauty and lifestyle and home and everything. So anything that I like to do, I'm gonna just be pumping out the content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to be notified whenever I post a video, which is usually Mondays and Thursdays. So that's been kind of my schedule. I've been posting 2 videos a week, which has been working out really well. And yeah, so if you do like these videos, again, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.